Flying is mostly smooth, but weather can change quickly. Pilots are trained to handle this. From powerful thunderstorms to thick fog, they face many challenges. Imagine flying into a massive storm. Lightning flashes. Turbulence shakes the plane. Passengers are nervous. It's the pilot's job to keep everyone safe. How do they do it? With skill, technology, and teamwork. Pilots use weather radar to see storms ahead. This helps them decide the best course of action. They can fly around storms, over them, or even delay the flight. Another tool is communication. Pilots stay in contact with air traffic control. Controllers on the ground give pilots real-time weather updates. Sometimes wind shear is a problem. This is a sudden change in wind speed or direction. Pilots are trained to detect and react to wind shear. There are many stories of pilots skillfully handling extreme weather. One example is the miracle on the Hudson. In 2009, Captain Chesley Sullenberger landed a plane on the Hudson River after a bird strike. Another example is when a flight encountered severe turbulence. The pilots calmly reassured passengers while navigating through the rough air. These stories show the incredible skill and bravery of pilots. They also highlight the importance of training and preparation. Section 4. Ready for anything. Training for the extreme. Pilots undergo rigorous training in flight simulators. These simulators recreate all sorts of weather conditions, from blizzards to hurricanes. During training, pilots learn how to make critical decisions under pressure. They practice emergency procedures and work as a team. This intense training prepares pilots for almost anything. It gives them the confidence to handle any situation. Section 5. Teamwork in the sky. Pilots and controllers unite. Safety is a team effort. Pilots and air traffic controllers work together closely. They share information and coordinate their actions. When weather is bad, this teamwork is even more critical. Controllers can reroute flights around storms, giving pilots the best chance for a smooth journey. In the end, the goal is always the same: to get everyone safely on the ground.